With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Light of wavelength 600 nanometer is incident on an aperture of size 2 mm. Calculate the distance the light can travel before its spread is more than the size of the aperture. So this whole problem is based on a concept called Fresnel's distance. Okay, so Fresnel's distance comes under the validity of ray optics. So what happens is, when you are using wave optics will be used within a condition that the width of the slit should be less than or comparable to the wavelength of light, and it should be very small. So if that condition happens, then you study it under wave optics. But there are some situations where the width of the slit will be more than the size of the aperture, and the minimum distance at which the spreading of light is comparable to that of the size of the aperture, we call it as Fresnel's distance, and Fresnel's distance is given with ZF is equal to a square by lambda. So here they are saying the light of wavelength is used and it is incident on aperture of size 2 mm. You are supposed to calculate the distance which light can travel before it spreads more. So if it spreads more, what happens? The diffraction effect will be more compared to the size of the aperture. Means the size of the image or the diffraction image will be greater than the size of the aperture, where the wave optics will not be valid. We will go with the ray optics. So if that condition comes out, that you call it as Fresnel's distance. So you are supposed to calculate the Fresnel's distance. So to calculate it, we shall substitute a square and lambda, which is given directly there. So a square is given to be, a is given to be 2 mm. So a square is 2 into 10 power minus 3 whole square, divided by lambda is 600 into 10 power minus 9. So when you simplify this, ZF comes out to be 6.67 meters. So this is the least distance light can travel before more spreading occurs for this wavelength of light. So option B is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.